That's so beautiful.
Hey guys. I wish I could see that. Today is November 9th. Yeah? 9th.
So how was your day?
And
Good?
What, me?
Yeah.
It was alright.
my brother's here. Okay, come. He's too cool for that. What are you eating?
Peanut butter.
About sandwich.
You got it on the computer!
He eats the end piece. Who eats the end piece?
I love the young
You eat the end piece?
I eat the end piece. No, I don't. No, I don't. That's nasty. That's too much. It's too much edge.
You know when you say like something has a little edge to it?
Uh-huh.
That end piece has a little edge to it. A lot of edge to it.
So, we're eating burritos.
But you. Talking. What?
No.
No what?
Look at that. It's almost like juicy.
Did you show your mom our video?
What? Yeah.
She saw our videos.
Okay. Did you see our video? Oh god.
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
You're always done before me. So today me and Ryan got in a fight.
Yeah, because she's cool.
Uh-huh.
What? She just said she doesn't like me. She was like, me no like you.
like on Facebook, like when you go like this, like
Yeah.
I've said like 20 times.
like when you're like on Facebook.
Yeah, so this morning I was like, Ryan, I don't like you.
And then I was like, oh.
I think it's funny when you get upset.
She likes seeing me upset. Who does that? My brother's like that too. That's okay though.
Isn't it funny when she's upset because she's like, oh, and then walks away.
And then it was kind of like a movie scene because I went to go walk away, right? And I was like, turned around and she was at her locker and she was like, Ryan. So I turned around really like slowly, like dramatically. And then she was just like, I hate you. And I was like, oh, like I was hoping for something better than that. You know?
You missed.
It's very disappointing. They can't see that, but I wish they could. That's not helping. That was so cool.
That looks like that's my hair. It's a turkey.
Well, so yeah, this video's kind of pointless, but that's okay. We're occupied.
We're eating burritos and watching Jacob pacing across the kitchen.
You can't eat a burrito without
I
sour
thought you were
cream.
just gonna drink that because you were like,
Now I'm gonna drink this Sunkiss. Because you thought it was high C.
excuse me. So yeah, me and Ryan got 45 views on our videos.
Ow, ow. Only on one of them though. The other one has like 42.
I was one of those dudes.
Yeah, my brother was one of the viewers.
So was your mom?
44.
You know what's funny? On every single video, we ask people to subscribe, but we only have had one subscriber since our first video. That's upsetting.
Me. I subscribe to you.
Oh yeah, but she doesn't count.
You're in the videos. I can't subscribe.
Why not?
You're a pain in the butt. Oh. I wish you could understand. Ah! You have to walk that way. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. This way. Way to drop the dog. That's just Jacob. Isn't he a little...
Shit.
If I wanted any shit from you, I'd squeeze your head. Where's our insole button? Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Let me see. Ready? Ready? This is my favorite button. This is my mom's.
You're depriving a village somewhere of an idiot.
Ooh.
You're the reason brothers and sisters shouldn't marry.
I don't get that one at all.
You're about as useful as a windshield wiper on a goat's ass. You don't sweat much. For a fat guy.
That one's so mean.
If I wanted any shit from you,
I'd squeeze your head. That's my favorite.
My grandma's calling.
Grandma.
Am I get run over by a reindeer?
No, 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 no. I finished my burrito.
Why is there light in the background?
Because of the window? It's her water.
You guys have no point to these videos, do you?
There's an Ellie hair in my drink. There's an Ellie hair in my
What do
drink.
you want me to do? Put my hand in there?
My dog's hair is in my drink. It's
My
not
bad.
sanitary. That is disgusting. Grandma got run over by a reindeer. That's like an awesome movie. It's a
It is.
cartoon and everything. Yeah.
And she get run over.
That's upsetting. But she was okay, right? I don't remember how it ends. I don't know. She was okay.
But Santa got sued.
You really?
Pretty sure he made it out of it.
Donner and Blitzen and something and now. Cupid and is that not one of their names?
It's almost that time of season.
Do you say Cupid? Cupid's
Yeah.
not a reindeer.
Yeah, it's kind of
Huh? Wait, can you get Petrie?
Petrie is my cat. She's a little funky.
smells funky too.
She smells funky too. She cleans her up herself. She's like 10 years old though, so it's
I'm afraid
okay.
to pick her up so much.
Oh, hey, Petrie! Ew. Okay.
Oh,
Hey.
okay.
Can you even see her? I'm not sure how.
Yeah, they can.
Cute, right?
No, you have to see her face.
Who wouldn't want that?
No, hang on.
Look
No,
at that.
Don't turn.
Oh, that is just so
I know.
nice. Who wouldn't want that? Come here.
You're like the only
You
one
get
that will
hair.
touch.
She's nasty. She's nasty.
Oh.
Come here. She like bites her skin off.
It's okay though.
She's all, not her fault.
Ellie up.
Ellie's my dog.
I wish I could see her.
That was her Sam. Hollister, nice. Ellie, come here. Ellie, up. You want to pick her up?
You can pick her.
Oh man. You don't know how to pick up a dog.
Ah, Peaches.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay. It's okay.
All I saw was your fault.
Get your ass out of my face.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Sit. Yeah. You're worse than I am.
I got you.
I'm getting up.
I got you.
You're gonna push me back down.
I am. Alright, jump. 1, 2.